Hurley, your health and wellness coach, and today I wanted to show you a really easy way that you can make your own mouthwash. So I know a lot of Listerine people out there or ACT people out there. I used to buy actually the ACT for kids that was recommended by my dentist. But we don't do that anymore. And in going chemical free, I have found a way that is super easy. You simply get a bottle. Now, I just went to the store and bought one of those glass oil mixer salad dressing bottles, and I fill it pretty much with water. And I fill it up to about the nape of the neck. You can fill it a little bit higher or lower if you want. And then I take my On Guard, and On Guard is pretty much your kills everything, germ-free, safe to ingest oil. And I put about 15 to 20 drops. And as you can see, if you can see really carefully, it kind of turns the water a little orangish. That's okay. It is completely safe to ingest. Now, I do have an On Guard toothpaste that is available, and I'll use that as well. And On Guard is fantastic because it has the wild orange, which gives it that orangey color. It also has clove and cinnamon bark. So it really has a lot of different flavors to it. And you can, I'm used to the traditional mouthwash, mouth rinse, right? So I'll put it in my mouth and I'll spit it back out. But it is completely safe to even swallow, to drink. In fact, just a quick heads up. So our family, we are fortunate or unfortunate to have those cold sores or canker sores every once in a while. And we put a couple of drops on the sore for about 3 solid days, and it was gone. We didn't need to use any medicine, get any prescription, things like that. And I grew up with the salt water, gargling, all that kind of stuff, which does work, but it takes a lot longer. And if you haven't tried it, it tastes horrible. So this is a much better alternative, and that's why I put it in our mouthwash, just as a prevention. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any other ways that you use On Guard or any other types of mouthwash, please leave comments below. And to get some more helpful recipes to go chemical free, subscribe now and have a great day.